Hi, my name is Ronan, and today I'm going to take you through assigning and claiming your Web Summit tickets. First of all, go to the link on screen and enter the email address you used to purchase your tickets. An email will be sent to that address with a link to your ticket dashboard. This link is valid for 24 hours, and if it expires, you can trigger a new one by entering your email address on the login screen again. Go to the email, and you should have received one from tickets@websummit.com with a link to your ticket dashboard. If you don't see the email arrive, check your spam and other inboxes. Open the email and click the Log In Now button. Then the Web Summit ticket dashboard will open in a browser window. To assign your tickets, click the My Orders tab and click on the Manage Tickets button. Enter the name and email address of the person you want to assign the ticket to, and an email will be sent to this person's address advising them of their ticket and prompting them to log in to their ticket dashboard. The assignee will also be asked to complete their ticket information, which can be accessed by clicking the My Profile button. While this may look similar to your dashboard, the assignee can only access and edit the ticket assigned to them. They cannot access the rest of the order. Only the buyer will have the access required to manage and assign the order's other tickets. The ticket assignment is now complete, and this ticket is ready to be used to log into the Web Summit app. Complete all the previous steps for each ticket you own in the My Orders tab, and for your own ticket in My Tickets if you're attending Web Summit 2. If you need to reassign a ticket to someone else or to the same person under a different email address, you can do this by clicking on the order in your dashboard and clicking the Reassign button beside the ticket. If you're having any difficulties, you can always reach out to our support team by clicking the Contact Support tab on your dashboard. You can also reach them by email at tickets@websummit.com.